Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a tour of my French-inspired powder room. I have always had a love and a fascination for the European and the French design, so I decided to incorporate it in my powder room. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I created an accent wall by putting the striped wallpaper, and I wanted the colors of the black, gray, and the white. I added this chair rail at a higher level than the normal height. And then at the top I installed this gorgeous wallpaper. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got the silver shimmer and it's just absolutely stunning. And at the top I added this beautiful wall art that I found at Elephant Stock. I think this wall turned out so stunning. I absolutely am in love with this wall. Last year I had these tiles added to our floor, and I love that they look like marble, but without this price sticker of marble. So I found this gorgeous mirror on OfferUp, and I knew immediately that I had to have this. When I first got it, it was a gold, as you can see in this picture, and I visualized the metallic and the gray. So what I did was I incorporated silver, charcoal gray, and just kind of intricately painted it. And I just absolutely love how it turned out. It's a striking wow piece. I'll leave a link to my blog, so if you're interested, you can see the process of how I painted this gorgeous mirror. I found these outlet covers and light switch covers on Amazon, and I think they match the design perfectly. On this side, I added these glass shelves.
Way too late, regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went to fight this.
So from the top, I found the wall art at Home Goods. Most of these pieces are from Home Goods. The perfume bottles are from Z Gallery. And these apothecary jars are from a florist.
Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby.
I love that I have a little linen closet in this powder room. And on the bottom, I keep all my cleaning stuff and a little basket of toilet paper. I also store the attachments that go to my toilet bowl cleaner. If you haven't seen one of these before, you have to get this. So convenient. You have the stick that it comes with, and then inside is a compartment that stores all the tops. Basically what you do is you take one of the sponges and you pop it into the thing so it stays on. This next shelf I have my Bath and Body Works Stockpile. I also love having these air wicks, so I keep my bathroom smelling pretty all the time. And then these are again more hand soaps. And then on this shelf I have all our hand towels. And then above that I have this gray basket that has holiday hand towels and extra hand towels. And at the very top, I am a huge collector of soaps from hotels, so I have a jar of that and then some extra stock of toilet paper.
You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. Until next time, bye bye.